return to the Pink Panther and Son.
Ah, what an indelible day for a ball game.
You mean incredible, Pumpkin. I'm ready for a few rounds.
You mean innings, Rocco. And before we commence, I suggest ascertaining which Rainbow Panthers are and are not present by means of a simple roll call. Annie? I'm here, Chatta. Murphle?
Here.
Rocco?
Here, Chatta. Just making a couple practice hits.
That leaves one Panther missing. Mr. Number One himself, Pinky Panther.
I'm late for the park. Hang on, Pinky. Uh-oh. Relax, everyone. I'm here. Let's play ball. Okay, gang. Into the warm-up. Let's hustle.
Now here's this. Everybody off this ball field. This park is Howl's Angels territory.
Says who? Oh,
Says us.
Some nerve they've got using your ballpark, Howl.
My ballpark? Yeah, my ballpark. Beat it, you puny little Panthers.
okay, we're leaving. We're not leaving, Murphle. We were here first, and we're playing first. You Angels can watch us play if you want. You might even learn something about baseball.
What's to learn from a bunch of losers?
Yeah? Check this out. Okay, gang, let's show them our warm-up drill.
Okay, Annie. Give me your best shot.
Okay, outfield, let's show them how the pros chase flies.
You guys aren't just bad, you're the worst.
Listen, Hal, we Panthers could beat you guys any day of the week.
Name the day.
Well, how's tomorrow?
Tomorrow, you're on.
Of course, I get to be umpire.
Finko, umpire, that'd be industrious. Illustrious. No, disastrous.
And the loser can't play in the park for a whole month.
You want a game? Them's our conditions.
We can beat you under any conditions. We'll be here tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Hey, guys, wait up. You're not afraid of those rowdy Howl's Angels, are you?
Us? Scared of them?
Good. Then you'll play, Rocco?
Wrong. I gotta help my mom do the laundry tomorrow.
All day?
No, just till the game's over.
I can't play either. I gotta see the dentist and have my tooth subtracted.
You mean extracted, Pumpkin?
Yeah.
We need to stand a chance against them and that 50 Finko.
Sure, you got a chance, Murphle. All you dudes need is a little brushing up on your baseball. And I know just the way to do it. Gee, Dad, thanks for getting us tickets to the Duckster game. Wow, what a hit! Did you see that, Pinky? Huh? Now where'd that kid go? Pinky! Wow, Tommy Lasorda, manager of the Ducksters. Oh, I'm sorry my little brother bothered you.
No trouble. He just wants my autograph.
I can't retrieve my eyes. Believe my eyes. Tommy Lasorda.
Did you tell him our problem, Pinky?
Well, not exactly.
Leave it to me. You see, Mr. Lasorda, we have a crisis of confidence on our team because they feel they do not possess the requisite skill to defeat our opponents who...
You see, I'm a manager too, and what she means is, we have a big game tomorrow, and the guys don't think they can win.
I'll tell you what. You stick around till after the game, and I'll show you some baseball tips. So remember those basics: the squeeze it home, the double steal, eye on the ball, level swing, follow through, and throwing ahead of the runner. Hit to the open field and look to the coach for the signs.
Okay, Angels up first, naturally. Let's play ball. Better rep.
Time out. You'll have a good view from here, Panky.
Okay. Wow, what a pitch! A perfect strike.
Ball one. Wait for the one you like.
I like that one.
Yeah!
That one out of here and into the stratosphere.
Nope, just out. That sneaky Finko had a smart idea when he hit this ladder out here. I just love dirty tricks. Of course, Finko's ideas don't always work. Whoa!
Ball two.
What? That pitch was at least 2 centimeters within the peripheral bounds of the strike zone, Finko.
What's your language, old gizmo, or you're out of this game?
Oh, boy, Cloud can see.
Gotcha, Hal.
Safe! Strike one.
Don't look at me, Murphle. Keep your eye on the ball.
Strike two.
Did you say Panky? Where?
Strike three. You're out.
Panky! Don't move! I spend half my life pulling this kid out of jams. It's stuck! Keep your shirt on, Panky! Feel the ball! Don't get hot under the collar, baby brother! You never make it easy for me, do you, Panky?
Them two should stick together permanently.
Ah, there! Now hang on like you were glued to me. See, they caught it. They caught it. Huh, that means there's 2 outs, and I'm up.
Down to the last out. I'll take over.
You can let go now, Panky. I got a bat.
Oh, a cat.
Oh, look, my brother's stuck to my tail. We've got to get him off, or I can't run the bases.
We've got Pinky now. You got 2 choices, Pinky. You can bat or forfeit the game. Strike one.
For Pete's sake, Panky.
Strike two.
Here comes the payoff pitch.
Safe.
Wow, Tommy LaForda.
The Panthers win.
Hey, what are you trying to pull? Pinky's run only ties the score 2-2.
Yeah, but he had to run with little Panky stuck to his tail. And Panky's worth at least a half a run. The Panthers win 2.5 to 2.
Hey, that's no fair. You're trying to stick us.
Why not? You stuck us.